Hello all, here is a simple code to read the serial port data, which basically is input from a laptop or any other device that is connected over RS-232 port, or basically the UART port these days. So for this we have a character variable that is declared, and then the serial port which is running at 9600, and there's a condition inside the loop which says serial.available of. Basically, serial.available of is holding a value which basically is the number of bytes that is received over the serial port. So when you send data to the Arduino over the UART, there is a receive buffer which has a size of 64 bytes, which will be holding the data, the serial data. So that serial data will be read, and what we are basically checking is whether there are any bytes inside that buffer. So if at all there are some bytes, that means if serial.available is greater than 0, what we are doing is we are reading byte by byte. So serial.read of does a byte by byte read. So the first byte is read and it is saved to data, and then we are trying to print it. So that's what we are doing here. So let us try to send a message. So now that Arduino is connected and already this is being ported, let us try to send this data. So for this serial monitor, just to show you, so once it is programmed, right, you see this, correct? So you go to tools, go to serial monitor, and this pops up. So you can see enter to send message to Arduino on COM4. So what we are doing is we are sending way to know. Okay, once we click enter, what is expected is way to know should be received by Arduino Uno, and then byte by byte. Byte by byte means W is a byte, A is a byte. So each character must be written back individually on new line, because print.ln gives a new line. Let us see what happens. When you click, you can see we see way to know which is being printed. You can see way to know it is printed, and with each character on individual lines. So that means each character, it has a new line that is being inserted because of serial.print, and this is the code for reading the serial port data over Arduino Uno.